Okay, people, welcome back to Will Kitchen Table. Today I'm gonna be doing some jerk chicken today, butterfly style. And I would just want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. Come on board. Thank you. Thumbs up. And I want you guys to subscribe and hit the like button as much as you can. All right, as long as you watch the videos. I'm gonna get started. Let's jump right in. I got my chicken already washed with some vinegar and lemon. So just gonna show you guys the way I cut my chicken for the butterfly style. Just cut it right down the back. Open it like this. Poke a few holes in it to get that jerk marinade right through the chicken. Alright. Get it right in a bowl right now. So I got some jerk spices right here. Got some Maggi jerk inside here also, some garlic powder. So this is all the dry stuff going on right now. And I got some fresh garlic chopped. Fresh thyme. I also got my jerk marinade. I showed you guys in a previous video, I made my own jerk marinade. That's what I'm using right now. Right, then I got some Grace Brown in. Not too much going on. About a teaspoon. And some oil. And there you go, my jerk. And you can do this right in the oven or on your barbecue. And that's done. There you go. Butterfly style jerk. Okay guys, so the chicken all marinate. I'll get back to you guys as soon as this is gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna be making some festival as well to go with this today. So it's time to get my festival going. Same recipe I used in a previous video making festival. So you guys watch the video, you should know. people, welcome back. It's time to get the chicken in the oven. It's been marinated for over 3 hours now, so it's going right in the oven. And my oven is at 380. Bump up the temperature to get some nice color in the jerk, and then I'll cover the chicken halfway through. So that's what it looks like in the pan. Butterfly style. And this baby is going right in. And I'm gonna leave it open for 20 minutes. All right, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I start making my festival. Okay, people, welcome back. The chicken is coming out of the oven right now for that 30 minutes just to get some color. Now I'm gonna put the foil paper right on it. I'm just gonna go back in for an hour. 1 hour. I'm going to put some of that juice from the marinade right inside the bottom of the pan. Keep it nice and moist, so your chicken won't be dry. Cover that down. Get it right back in there. This chicken is basically done. Yeah. That's after the extra hour it went back in for. So right now I just uncover it. I'm gonna put it back for another 10 minutes. Get another glaze on the outside of it.